Samthingsowetho, please don't make us kids. Please don't make us kids. I asked you on the phone 2 years ago, 3 years ago. I said, send me an invoice. Let's also pay you the way you paid us, Kaspedi page. Also, send an invoice. Ronaro Patel, Rebe Square. Why wena onyoko winner everything? Why do you want to own all the masters? Does it make sense? Reberekela wena rona na. Send the invoice. Oro patele tabaya mantombozana. Leo patele le mcimbini. Safela daso. Rebe Square. Economy fair. You can't own all the masters. What the fuck is going on? We can give you your money back. The money that you send us, we can give you your money back so that we own the fifth. Actually, I say, Rubusa yona back chelete. Rinyaka own the masters. Would get a clever wena. Sorry, it's a party, man. Are the party? How? Guburitse or send the invoice. Rebutsu no go ropa televokai for mantombozan. So that Rebe Square. Sorry, it's a party. Arabana how? Sa tot ke sa ngwana o lokile iso wena a wa loka at all au tshaka wa understand arbe fe le rona re ko ona di amantombozana ro file aklaleki fethu or otherwise re busetse everything ko ena tlo losang you gonna lose if we own the masters rona ro fetchile ta o fileng yona you gonna lose so sa ke sa clever iso please don't sa ke sa clever. I'm tired of this going back and forth. The song, you didn't want the song to be out because of no sabotage. No, they'll afisa ufutumeti mo. Now it's a character how on go explain. So explain that say out chaka. Refe the invoice ro sendele chelete how or ro busete chelete la how ela ro own 50%. Yeah, erta discuss erta decide or ro own how many percent mo. So that's bana ba banyane man.